Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Facebook Business Manager for ads, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Facebook Business Manager homepage. Log into your Facebook account if prompted. Once logged in, you will see the Business Manager dashboard. Locate the Business Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on Business Settings to access your account settings. In the Business Settings menu, find the Users section. Click on Users and then select People. To add a new user, click on the Add button. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Choose the role you would like to assign them, such as admin or employee. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Select the business assets you want to grant access to. This may include ad accounts, pages, or apps. Once you have made your selections, click Invite. The user will receive an email invitation to join your business manager. They need to accept the invitation to access the business. Once the user has accepted, return to the business settings. In the Accounts section, click on Add Accounts. Select the ad account you want to work with. Ensure the user you just invited appears on the list of users for that ad account. If needed, adjust their permissions to ensure they can manage ads effectively. To authenticate your ad account, navigate to Ad Account Settings. Click on Settings within the Ad Account interface. Locate the business ID and write it down for future reference. Return to Business Settings and open the Brand Safety section. Click on Domains to verify your domain if required. Enter your domain name and follow the instructions provided. Once verified, navigate back to the Ad Account settings. In the ad account, ensure your payment methods are set up correctly. Go to the Payment Settings section to add or update payment information. After confirming your payment methods, your ad account will be ready for use. You can now create ads and manage campaigns through Facebook Business Manager. Always ensure to monitor your user roles and permissions regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.